Hey everybody, Rorree here. I thought I would do some recordings really quickly before we have our The Solution event, which is a monthly event that we have in Roses, Lavender and Sage. So I thought I would come by and just do, just do some readings or do something really, really quickly. So I let a whole lot of stuff come out and I will record for you guys for a couple of days here. So anyway, welcome to my channel. As you know, we have another platform, which is called Roses, Lavender, and Sage. You can get there. There's a link in the description box, and you can also get there by going to Roses, www or HTTP, whatever. But it's Roses, Lavender, and Sage.com. Alrighty, so you can join us over there. It's a community for women, and we empower other women in this community. Let's see, what do we have over there? We have workshops, events. There is coursework being loaded to the community now for the members of the community. We have different courses being loaded. One is Recipe for Prosperity, the blueprint for manifesting on purpose. What else do we have in there? The prosperity formula. We have, what are the courses that I did for this year? God, one is on shadow work. I forget what it's called. I cannot remember what it's called. It's escaping me right now. But we have another, I Choose Me. We have a number of courses over there and events. Live healing work, live readings, different things like that for the members. So if you want intuitive reading, intuitive coaching, healing work, what have you, we do it over there. The community set up so that you can have someone that can walk with you while you're on your journey, so that you can have somebody that can help you to avoid little pit stops that you might make on your path. So that it doesn't take you longer to get to where it is that you're going. Someone where you can find out what you're supposed to be learning about something. Because sometimes while we're on our journey, there are things that we're supposed to learn. And if we don't learn these lessons, then we get another lesson. Well, if you're in a community where you can tap into healing work and intuitive guidance and things of that nature on an ongoing basis, then you can kind of tap in and find out how to steer clear of things that you don't have to go through on your journey. Also learning what your purpose is, that's an integral part of everything over there in Roses, Lavender, and Sage. So definitely come over there if you're a lady. The group that we're marketing towards is 33, ages 33 to 60. However, we have women in there that are in their 20s. Okay. I even have some young girls that listen to my information who are teenage girls, but we'd have to censor their information that they listen to, because sometimes we might need to go into graphic detail on certain things. So come on over there. Right now, you can get in at no cost. Okay. But we do have our programs that are being developed. We have our little team developing things. So it won't always be that way, but those of you who get in now will be what we call founding ambassadors, if you're listening to this video during that time period. Alrighty, so anyway, let's get started. Today, I am going to start with an animal oracle. All right, and let me put my glasses on so I can read it to you. But the animal oracle today is a rabbit. All right, so let me read. Okay, the rabbit symbolizes power, abundance, heroism, seasons, and cycle of life. Woo! I can relate to all of that. All right. In the Chinese zodiac, the rabbit is the most prompitu, 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 oh my God, propitious sign. Why wouldn't that word come out of my mouth? Those born under the rabbit are thought to have considerable power. In many cultures, the rabbit is a lunar creature with feminine energies whose outline can be seen in the face of the full moon. Many Native American rabbit myths tell of the hare returning to the returning the sun to the sky and restoring warmth, the pattern of day and night, and the seasons and prosperity. The rabbit in this painting is Kaltis. I guess that's how you pronounce it, a moon goddess venerated by the Urgic people on Western Siberia. Although this goddess can assume many forms, the hare is sacred to her. Hmm. Okay, I'll show it to you again. All right, so that is the rabbit. Power, abundance, heroism, seasons, cycles. All right, so I know we are always in the different moon cycles. I follow the moon cycles. So this is talking about the lunar creature. Okay. And let's see. And in the community, we sometimes I sometimes share information about the moon cycles. When we start doing the community in its newer format that we are planning for, we will be doing things on the moons throughout the moon cycles, different type of healing work on the new moons and full moons, and manifestation work and things of that nature. And then there is daily work that I'll be teaching you guys to do on the moon cycles on a weekly basis as well. But power, abundance can be positive abundance, so when you look for abundance for yourselves, always pay attention to how you ask for what it is that you ask for, because you want to manifest positive abundance, because there is a lot of not so positive abundance all around us. In the workplace, oftentimes you can be in a place where the abundance of negative energy is so thick you can cut through it with a knife. And if you have to work there in that environment, you have to fortify yourselves with an energy that can kind of cut through and sit in the middle of the yuck, the negativity, without being, I would say, affected by the energy that's surrounding you. So anyway, the rabbit energy, this is pretty cool, the little rabbit. All right. Now, the next card, I want to do a gratitude card. So I have the attitude of gratitude for the simple things in life that bring me peace and balance. That is so key to me, having peace and balance in the little things in life that bring me peace and balance. Like the times when I sit, like I just recorded a meditation for roses, lavender, and sage. And that brings me peace, having doing my healing work, that brings me joy, helping put smiles on people's faces, that brings me joy. Having balance in my life brings me peace and joy. The things that don't are being pulled in 10,000 directions, and people's feelings of entitlement. Like sometimes people feel like they deserve to be able to pull me in whatever direction they want, in spite of whatever I might have going on at the time. Like what is important to me or what's going on with me doesn't matter. Only thing that matters is what's going on with them, and that they need me in this moment, and I should drop everything. And if I'm busy, then that's a problem, So keeping my balance is very important to me, no matter what and no matter who. Okay. So when I start getting pulled in 10,000 directions, then I could be no good for me, myself, my family, or for you. So I have to keep that balance, and I have to continue doing the little things every day in a great way that keep me in peace and balance and keep my life harmonious. All right. So, anyway, I hope those were some little words of wisdom for you this morning, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with others if you think these little morning moments would help someone else. And definitely join us over in Roses, Lavender, and Sage, where you will get so much more. Ashe.